The Fermi Paradox is the name given to the apparent contradiction that the existence of intelligent alien life is believed to be highly probable, and yet there appears to be a distinct lack of evidence that such life exists. This paradox was made famous by the American physicist Enrico Fermi in 1950, when during a lunchtime discussion with colleagues about the high probability of intelligent alien life, Fermi reportedly exclaimed, "But then where are they?" In 1961, the American astrophysicist Dr. Frank Drake proposed an equation to estimate the probability that intelligent alien life exists in our galaxy. This was known as the Drake equation. While estimates based on the Drake equation vary wildly, according to recent surveys made by the Kepler telescope, it is believed that there may be as many as 11 billion Earth-like planets capable of sustaining life in our galaxy alone. So then why is there no evidence? Here are 4 of the best responses. Number 1. Some have suggested that alien civilizations are simply too far away from Earth to make contact. They argued that in a universe which is 93 billion light-years across, there has simply not been sufficient time for them to reach Earth. Number 2. Others have argued that intelligent life would be so different from us that we wouldn't recognize them even if we were to come into contact. Number 3. Some have suggested that intelligent life is simply much more rare than currently estimated, and that even if intelligent life did exist at one point in the past, it would most likely by now have destroyed itself or been destroyed by natural events or other hostile civilizations. And finally, number 4. Some have attempted to resolve the Fermi paradox by suggesting that intelligent alien life has in fact been in contact with Earth, but that it simply has been kept a secret by those in power. But what do you think is the answer to the Fermi paradox? Let me know in the comments below, and until next time, thanks for watching.